Hello people, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today it is such an exciting vlog for me as I'm gonna bring all the innate art talent outside. Yes, I'm super duper excited to be a part of this. Anyway, I'm about to reach the destination and I'm gonna put all the destination details in the description box below. So kindly refer to that if you wanna visit this place. And so, as I'm just nearing, I'm pumped up with so much of excitement in me. Today, when I was scrolling through Instagram, I got to see a cute reel posted by this Paint Your Style website, and in which I'm so instantly in love with. So, I felt like to give it a go once, and I have reached to this place today. This one is in Charlottenburg. For all the destination details you have to go through, and also I'm gonna put a link about this website in the description box below. So first let me tell you about this place. So as you can see, there are so many of ceramic materials right here in their store. You have to pick a material which suits your interest to paint it according to your style, and then you have to pay only for that piece which you have picked, and then they heat it in a certain degree temperature to make it perfect ceramic painting, and they give you a term to pick it up. So that's all you have got to do. So for that process, I'm just looking for some materials right now. Maybe I wanted something like a serving bowl or serving kind of a plate. So here they have so many of a different options, but I'm looking for something which just grabs my interest. So clear about this, you just have to pay only for the piece you pick, and there's no additional charges or additional cost for your paint or brushes or pencils or anything else apart from your material. So here they also have a whole brand section about these kits, toys, flower vase, cups, glasses, and plates, serving bowls, and this caught my interest. It looks cute, where I can just put my room keys and all the other keys, but I'm not gonna go for it. This is also good, it is kind of cute, but I'm gonna take this because it looks so simple, just like my taste. I'm gonna grab this, enter my name and details, and they'll just enter the material number on the piece of paper, and then you're good to go. So this is what something I have in my mind. Let me see if I can just do a replicate of that. Anyway, I'm just going through these little cute stamps, but I'm not taking any. And let me grab a pencil and an eraser at first, because I'm not a pro artist, bro. So these are the things I have bought now. I got a stamp which exactly looks like a lavender. Maybe I might use it, and few other stamp kind of a thing, but I don't know if I have to fill it with paint or something. I just bought it, and now I started drawing with a pencil just for an instance. Maybe if it looks good, I might go for it. Okay, while I'm painting, let me tell you about reservation. So while you are reserving a spot, you can just directly call the number in the website and book a spot. Minimum is 2 persons and maximum I think 9. Okay, let me show you. So here is a glimpse of what I have drew so far. So for that, I'm gonna pick few brushes. I have a leaf, so for which I wanted a thin one and a thick one to fill in the leaves. So I'm going for 2 different kind of brushes, and then let's see. So this is how it looks so far. I have bought many different colors of green, because and kindly do remember, when you are just painting, you don't get exact shade of what you are looking. You'll get the shader lesser than the actual shade, because when it heats in a certain degree of a temperature, the shade changes. So that's why they have all the lightish colors. Do not go for any dark colors, because it will be super dark when the final output is there. Anyway, back to the topic. So when I am reserving a spot, I just called her and told I'm the only one who is interested in and wanted a reservation spot. So she was like, oh, you can just directly walk in. Just short of my half painted leaves. Anyway, there are little more changes with my paint. I'm gonna quickly do it. with the leaves and then move on to the next one, which I am excited about. As I'm done with the leaves part, now I'm gonna quickly start with my major big part, which is lavenders. So I started painting with them, and right next to me there is a table where two persons are just doing their paintings, and I saw them, they can directly do it with this tube or bottle. But whereas me, I have experienced, or I just did it with the brush, which just kind of messed it up. So I'm gonna quickly do it with my bottle this time. And after a much consideration, I thought, okay, in a way we are doing it for fun, let's try it with the left hand. That sounds good, but doesn't exist long. I have shifted to right as soon as it felt odd, and just clearing out unwanted pencil marks on my plate. And this one is something special. It is a little surprise, like you have to wait till the very end to know what I'm doing here. As you can see, I bought few red and black. I think you have got it. Yes. Let me just wait. I'm not gonna spill the beans. Here is the final output. Yes, it's YouTube channel. And the final lavenders, they also have this cute miniature where you can also experience this.
So, ist nur für uns. So, okay.
Ja.
So, hattest du ein Getränk bei uns?
Nein.
Okay.
Nein.
Hast du eine Bonuskarte oder möchtest eine beginnen? So eine Stempelkarte?
Nein, danke schön.
Okay. Abend, ja?
Okay. Um wie viel Uhr?
20 Uhr.
Okay.
Ja?
Danke schön. Cheers. And it's done. I'm excited to see how I painted and how it got. So then ఒక certain degrees లో heat చేస్తారు and then we'll get it. Let's see. And I got a termin on Saturday to pick it up. Here I am again and hope to pick my plate from Paint Your Styles today, at least today. Yeah. Oh.
Unwrapping something feels so good.
మనల్ని మనమే ప్రమోట్ చేసుకోవాలి. SolivSoul. It looks so good. Are you guys ready? కదా ఆబ్వియస్లీ సెరామిక్ అంతే అనుకోండి. How do you like it?
And that's the final glimpse. If you like my video, to like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel SolivSoul.